Hello guys, and welcome back again to this channel. In this video I will show you how to change the size of an image using Photoshop. So with this being said, let's get ahead and start our tutorial. Now we click on file and then we click on new. Let's choose our preset from Photoshop library, or you can create your own preset by just clicking on any random preset from Photoshop and then changing the values from here. Now I'm going to choose this one and click on create. Just in case you don't know, I'm using the 2019 version of Photoshop. If you are using any newest or oldest version, you can still watch this video and the trick will work for you as well. Now let's get ahead and open. Click on file, open, and drag our picture that we're gonna try to rotate. For example, we're gonna choose this one. Okay, now let's drag it over here and voila. Now let's make sure that our layer is selected. And how can you resize it? Is just by clicking Ctrl T, and that's how you can resize the picture, make it smaller and make it bigger. There's other method, which is clicking again on Ctrl T, and from here you can just change the width and the height just as you like. For example, let's make it 3%, 5%. We can even make it like 89 and stuff like that. There is the last method, which is again clicking on this layer, and from here again properties, we change the width and height. The one before it was with percentage, now it is by inch. Like for example, let's make it something like that. It's become so much bigger. So yeah, that was the tutorial for today guys. Thanks for watching.